What's up everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We got today a Matchbox Moving Parts. It is the Tesla Model X in that bright red, very beautiful. Let's check it out. Look at that. I like the tampos on the front, both lights. You got the logo of the Tesla. Zoom it in real quick. There you go. And the bottom lights are, the tampos are there for the high beams. Look at the doors, pretty cool. Black interior. The windows are like, I guess, clear, but a little bit of black, it looks like. The rear also has the tampos, has the Tesla logo. The rear lights are also there. Both doors open. It looks super cool, awesome. I like this Tesla Model X, very cool. Standard wheels, they look good on it. Overall, I love this vehicle. It has or this casting, because it has all the tampos in the front and the back, the doors, of course, the moving part thing on it. So that is very cool. And this is one of those newer cars, newer vehicles that always caught my attention, of course, because it's Tesla and because it's one of these type of doors. Like, that's pretty cool. And I'm gonna put this on display somewhere. But what do you guys think? Leave a comment, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next video. Peace.